Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about Cash App and PayPal, and more specifically I'm going to show you how you can transfer money that you have inside your Cash App and send it over to your PayPal account. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved. I keep getting this request from other subscribers and they want to know how to send money that they have on their Cash App into their PayPal account. But first off, why would you want to do that? Well, that's a pretty easy question to answer. Cash App's a really a great service to send money between family and friends because it goes through almost immediately. So sometimes you have money on your Cash App, but you can't pay for things online on certain websites, and certain websites only take PayPal. So how can you transfer that money from your Cash App account into your PayPal account? That's what we're going to talk about. Now I want to let you know this is nothing immediate. It takes about 1 to 2 business days for the money to go through. So if you want to make this transaction today, it's just not going to work. It takes a few days for it to go through. And there's a couple of steps involved, and we're going to go over that piece by piece in this tutorial. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your PayPal app. That's where you're going to start. So it's this blue and white app right here. Check my video description if you don't have one yet. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open my PayPal app now. Okay guys, so I went ahead and opened up my PayPal app. One thing I want to know is I have a PayPal Cash Plus account. I'm not sure how many types of accounts PayPal has, but make sure that you have a PayPal Cash Plus account because that is necessary for this process to work. If you need to upgrade your regular PayPal account into a PayPal Cash Plus account, check my video description. I'll try to leave a link with more information about that. But here we are on the home screen, and here on the home screen you're going to see other PayPal users that you've interacted, usually across the top. You're also going to see your PayPal balance right now. As you can see, I just have a little bit of money in my PayPal, 67 cents. But what you want to do is start off by clicking this gear icon here on the top right. Once you click there, another drop down menu is going to happen. I'm going to click there now. All right guys, here this drop down menu happens, and what you want to do is scroll down until you see this line called direct deposit. I'm going to click there now. All right, so here is the direct deposit screen, and this is going to have all the information that you need to start this process. Now I don't know if your information is going to be the same as mine, so be sure to go through that and check to make sure for you. So my PayPal account, it looks like the direct deposit is run through Wells Fargo Bank, and then the routing number that I'm going to be using is right here, and then my particular PayPal assigned account number is right here. So again, I don't know if your routing number and bank information is going to be the same as mine. If yours is different than Wells Fargo and then this routing number, leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But what you want to do is go ahead and write down your account number and then write down your ABA routing number for your PayPal account because you're going to need that in a few moments. Once you've written that down, we're going to go ahead and switch over to the Cash App. So let me go and switch over to Cash App now. All right, here I am on my iPhone home screen, and then here's the Cash App right here. It's green and white. It's called Cash App. Check my video description if you don't have this because sometimes they have referral bonuses, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cash App now. All right guys, here we are in the Cash App home screen, and here on the home screen you can go ahead and send money to family and friends with this button. You can request money from family and friends on this button. But if you're going to go ahead and transfer money from your Cash App into your PayPal account, what you want to do is click right here on your balance. Mine says $75. Yours will probably say something different. Doesn't really matter. Just click there. I'm going to click there now. All right, so here we are on the balance screen again. So you can see I have exactly $75.75. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose to cash out your balance into your PayPal account. And how you want to do that is look here first. Mine says add a bank. If you have banking information, debit card information in there already, you want to be sure to delete that. Once you've deleted your bank information and your debit card information, it should look like my screen where it only shows cash, Bitcoin, and then this blank add bank. Once it shows this, what you want to do is go ahead and click on cash out. It's this gray button right here next to add cash. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up so you can choose how much you want to cash out, because basically what we're doing is we're cashing out our Cash App balance and sending it over to PayPal. So go ahead and use the slider bar and choose how much you want to transfer. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer $1 of my Cash App balance into my PayPal account. Once you've chosen how much you want to go ahead and send from Cash App to PayPal, click on this green button right here called Cash Out. I'm going to click there now. All right, so this drop down menu happens, and this is kind of an important step, so pay attention. You have two options, the standard transfer and then also the instant transfer. The thing is, Cash App does not allow you to use your PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard on Cash App, so you cannot use instant. So don't choose that. You just need to choose the standard. So I'm recording this on a Sunday, and it's letting me know the money will be available on Tuesday. So like I said, it takes about 1 to 2 business days, so keep that in mind. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, once you click there, then this screen pops up, and it's going to ask you to choose a bank. So mine is through Wells Fargo, but you still do not want to click that button, because what's going to happen is they're going to ask you to log into your Wells Fargo account account, but you don't really have a Wells Fargo account through your PayPal account, so you have to go enter this information a different way. What you want to do is go ahead and click here on the search bar. I'm going to click here now. Once you're here, just type in some jumbled numbers. So I'm just going to type in this. So as you can see, it's just mumbo jumbo that I put in there. And then this button pops up. Don't see your bank, add manually. That's what you need to see. So I'm going to go and click on that right now, add manually. All right, next the screen pops up, and then here's the information that you wrote down earlier from your PayPal Cash account. So what you want to do is go ahead and enter your routing number to your PayPal Cash account. I'm going to go ahead and enter mine in off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and entered in my routing number. Keep in mind, the routing number is going to be the 9-digit number that you wrote down. The routing number is not anything other than a 9-digit number. Once you've entered that in, go ahead and click next. I'm going to click there now. All right, next is asking for me to enter the bank account number associated with my PayPal Cash account. So again, same thing. That's the second number that you wrote down from earlier. Go ahead and enter that in. I'm going to enter mine in off screen now. All right, guys, I went ahead and entered in my PayPal Cash account number. Next, this green button pops up right here called next. I'm going to click there now. All right, next Cash App is asking me to confirm the bank account to my PayPal Cash account once again. So I'm going to enter that in one more time just to confirm. All right, I went ahead and entered in my PayPal account number for a second time. I'm going to click that same next button down here. All right, there you go. And then this screen pops up just a few seconds later saying that $1 or however much you initiated a transfer will be available in your bank account on Tuesday or 1 to 2 business days later. So I'm going to click done right here now. All right, now you can see my Cash App balance has gone down by the $1 that I initiated to send over to my PayPal Cash account. So there you have it. That is how you can transfer funds from your Cash App account into your PayPal account. That's the easiest way that I know, but if you happen to know an easier way to send money from Cash App to PayPal, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.